There's not enough light on him to see the kid. Take it easy right there. Take it easy right there. You fucking nut. Dude, you're gonna rip your ass up. Holy shit. We fucking said it to him too before he got on the fucking track. Fucking kid, please. This shit's all ripped the fuck up. Got no fucking dude. You wanna hold this thing? I can't. I can't look at it. My eyes killing me. I really can't. I wanna hold it. God, I can't fucking hold that, man. My eyes burning.
I got you, John.
My eyes burning. Not good. I'm gonna ask John if he takes a ride with me to the hospital. I don't want to go, but I'd rather bring somebody to drive because if they fuck my vision up when they fuck with my eye, you know what I mean? I want to be able to have somebody drive back from that. Holy crap, man, you can back off a little bit. He's like, no, not that kid. That boy is rough. He's born to run. But he's crazy as fuck. He's not allowed. You have your fucking balls hanging out.
No, it's not sounding right. It's like
no, it don't.
It's not sounding right. It sounds like
dog.
laboring.
Like dogged out.
Yeah. It's not there.
It don't have that ring.
No.
He's fucking up. This is what he's doing. He's in the wrong gear. He needs to take it easy. He's gonna get hurt over here. Yeah, I know he's fucking crazy, but fuck. Don't be too fucking I know the kid's hog wild nuts, man. He's sick of his head.
I'm not hearing it.
No, me neither. Think it's drowning, gets low on fuel? Could be. Hey, he fell. He just went down. Yes, he did. You alright, John?
Hey, you want to take this down? I'll run to him.
He looks like he's getting up.